Here at the car show in Belen. It's a gorgeous day. Some pretty vehicles. People see you videoing and they don't care. So let's stand in the way. Car number on there.
And she's badass. She actually is pretty big.
There's a craft fair going on as well. Look at that. That's so pretty. Good looking tea bucket. And then there's Lizzie and Grandpa. She's so fat she can't even sit right. Yeah, yeah. Pretty good turnout, not as big as what we thought, but it's still fun. We're here on 3rd Street, here in Belen. Can you believe this truck is a Mercury? Crazy. That's pretty. This thing here is cool. It's on air shocks. Very nice. Very, very nice. They got dog adoptions.
It was an oddball green cougar.
The Pettises.
He got up for work one morning.
That's Richard Pettis.
I always drove cars.
Gene Pettis.
This one didn't last. He boiled the tires out.
The Conleys.
So he sold it.
And then the Aragons.